Hello there, this is Mats, and today we have another lessons for the Swedish for the medical staff. And I hope you have had great days these days at the beginning of 21. And I hope this would be a prosperous year for all of you, especially the medical staff. Yeah, I decided to actually talk about body parts or body organs, as you see in this photo. Yeah, let's go to the bottom line. Kroppen. So kroppen it actually means body, and so kroppen means body, and huvud. Why some of them are et huvud, other is en nacke, is that because we have two type of words in Swedish. One is the et, other is the en. It is something a little similar to masculino, feminino, but not quite that pattern. But yeah, just have in mind that we have two type of words. That when we want to make them singular and plural, then it makes difference. That if it is et or if it's en. But for this lesson, we just need to know and memorize which one is et and which one is en until we come to the rules and regulations. Yeah, et huvud. So huvud means head. Head. And nacke, nacke means neck. Hals, hals means throat. So here, throat. Throat. Axle means the shoulders. So an axle means one shoulder. Bröst means breast. Bröstkorg. Bröstkorg means chest, but also in the medical terms is thorax. So I will write both. Thorax and chest. Media means waist. And so skulderblad. Skulderblad is actually the shoulder blade. They are at the back of the shoulder here, where the arms usually connect the shoulder. But we have also a medical term for that, which is scapula. So I will write here scapula. Scapula. So yeah, let's move to other parts. So I will turn off my writing to scroll to the next parts. Yes, and also move my photo to the other side so you can see the parts better. And so yeah, let's start with the other parts. So Rick is actually back. It could be back, it could be spine. I mean the spine. I will write both, so it's spine or back. Heart is the actually the bottom. So bottom. I'm trying to write it here in so small screen. Sorry, but it's bottom. I will try to write the others better. It's because of my screen is curved, so I couldn't write it very well. The next one is actually the melanyerde, and melanyerde is actually the diaphragm. So diaphragm, yeah. So diaphragm. Mage and mage, so stomach. Stomach. Navel is actually the navel. So same. Navel. Jones organ is actually two part is Jones and organ. Organ is organ. Jones actually is the gender. So it's actually gender's organ. So genitals. So genitals. Jumske. Jumske is actually it's between the Jones organ and the lower, so between the leg and the genitals. And this is, as you see in the photo, this is the U. So this is the U between the genitals and then the leg. And in English it is called groin. So groin. Groin. Arm is arm. Armhåla. So it's actually the armpit. Armbåge is the elbow. So here, armbåge, elbow. Handled is actually here. So the wrist. Hand, so it's hand. In Swedish, hand, but in English, hand. Hand. Ben is actually the leg. Lower is actually the upper part of the leg, so it's called thigh in English, in medical, as a medical term. It's called thigh. Knä is actually the knee. Knee. What is actually the backside of the leg, and it's called calf in English. Calf. Foot, same, foot, but just with different spelling. So that was for today. So now you know so many parts of the body, that's what they are called in Swedish. And I believe that's a big help for you when you're going to work in the hospitals or to take care of the patients, and or to assist the other medical staff when you start working in Sweden. Thanks for today. Once more, I wish you a fruitful New Year for you, your family, both in your life and career life. And see you in my next lessons. Bye.